Welcome to the enchanting realm of Lake Como, a natural masterpiece nestled in the heart of the Italian Alps. As you gaze upon the tranquil waters and the surrounding lush landscapes, you'll find yourself immersed in a world of unparalleled beauty and serenity. Lake Como's allure is both timeless and universal. Its crystalline waters stretch for miles, reflecting the ever-changing colors of the sky and the majestic peaks that cradle it. The surrounding towns and villages, with their charming architecture and picturesque streets, add a touch of human artistry to nature's canvas. The allure of Lake Como has captured the hearts of artists, writers, and travelers for centuries. It's a place where the boundaries between reality and dreams seem to blur, where the harmony of nature and culture creates a symphony of experiences that resonates deeply within the soul. Can you feel the magic that has drawn people to this haven? The towns and villages around Lake Como attract attention with their historical and cultural heritage. The narrow streets, ancient churches, and historic buildings of towns such as Bellagio, Varenna, and Bellagio offer visitors a historical journey. Also, famous historical villas such as Villa del Balbianello are located around the lake. Exploring Lake Como's shores, you'll encounter a mosaic of small towns, each with its own character and story. Bellagio, often referred to as the Pearl of the Lake, exudes elegance with its historic villas and vibrant gardens. Varenna enchants with its narrow alleys and romantic ambiance. Como, the namesake of the lake, offers a blend of modernity and tradition. How does the diversity of these towns contribute to your experience of Lake Como's charm? A journey across the lake itself is a voyage through tranquility. Whether by ferry or private boat, you'll find yourself surrounded by an ethereal landscape that seems to have been plucked from a fairy tale. The towering mountains, the verdant forests, and the ornate villas perched along the shore create a scene that awakens the senses and ignites the imagination. The villas that grace Lake Como's shores are architectural marvels that offer a glimpse into the opulence of the past. Villa del Balbianello, with its terraced gardens, and Villa Carlotta, adorned with exquisite artwork, are just a few examples of the treasures that await. How do these villas enhance your understanding of the region's history and culture? As you leave the shores of Lake Como, you'll carry with you the memories of its tranquil waters, the melodies of its gentle breezes, and the sense of wonder that comes from experiencing a place where nature and human creativity harmonize. So, as you continue your journey through life, let the spirit of Lake Como inspire you to seek out moments of serenity, to appreciate the intricate beauty that surrounds you, and to remember that every corner of the world holds the potential to stir your heart and leave an indelible mark on your soul. What reflections will you carry forward from the tranquil shores of Lake Como?